All right, guys, this is $20, but it's ringing up 7 at my store. And this is the one that I did end up buying for my trip next week. This is a pretty good find. They're the power source charging port. They usually ring up $19, and they're here for 4. This is the barcode. So these are typically $69, and they're ringing up $39, so that's a pretty good deal. And it's out in the open, so it's not hidden. But I think that's really good. Hopefully I can find them for cheaper. All right, so these awesome lights are $44, and they're ringing up $32. Hopefully they'll go down a little bit more. They are really awesome. This is the barcode. My boss is really looking for some, so I'm gonna be on the lookout so I can buy her some for her back patio. All right, guys, I don't know if you want this, but this is pretty awesome. It's the sleep tracking mat, and they are going for $100, and at my store they're scanning for $30. Not bad. This is pretty good, especially for a person like me that doesn't sleep well. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll buy it for Christmas for somebody. This wake up light is really nice. It's $22. Used to be $50. So I'm pretty sure you've already seen all of these on sale on other people's channels, but let me just show you how much they are at my store. So as you can see, every store has different amounts, so not every store is the same, you guys. So if you're gonna go out, just know that every store is different. You guys, if you can find this mini Mavic, it's such a good price. I remember I bought this for my boyfriend. It was about 500 or 600 with everything included for Christmas one year. And yeah, $184. And they have other types too. So this really nice LED hands-free flashlight is usually $17, and it's ringing up for $5. This is the barcode, guys.